National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Logan County, southeastern Mason County, northeastern Menard County until 7 a.m. At 6:33 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Greenview, or 9 miles south of Mason City, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greenview, Elkhart, Middletown, New Holland, Broadwell, Sweetwater, and Fancy Prairie. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 3 and 6. Interstate 55 between mile markers 112 and 122.
Invested. Member FDIC.
Storm Tracker forecast scattered showers and thunderstorms before 11 this morning, and a chance of more storms after 3 this afternoon. Partly sunny otherwise. High of 86. Winds can gust to about 18 miles an hour. Tonight, 50% chance of more.
There's no EAS on the radio. Well, looks like there's no EASs on the radio. Maybe it's just a EAS encoder problem or something, but thank you guys so much for watching. And yesterday, my Radio Shack 12-262 did not activate for the test, and it actually did. Oh well.